Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over 3 different drills that you can do to help you improve your kicking cardio. Now let's get started. The first drill, you're going to be doing kicks going down the mat and going back. So pretty much you're going to be doing 10 kicks going forward. I suggest just doing basic back leg roundhouse kicks. You're going to be going forward, doing about 10 going down the mat, and then from there you're going to be doing defensive roundhouse kicks going backwards, coming back down the mat. So that's going to be 1 set, which will be 20 kicks. I recommend that you do 5 sets for a total of 100 kicks for this first drill. This second drill, you're going to be staying in place. You're going to be doing 30 kick hops or alternating roundhouse kicks. Once again, you're going to make sure you stay in place. You're going to work on speed, getting over those kicks nice and quick, and keeping a nice consistent pace through all 30 kicks. Now doing this, you want to make sure that you do 3 sets, which will be a total of 90 kicks, and then to get that 100 kicks, you want to do 10 doubles for a nice little burnout at the end. So once again, you're going to be doing 30 alternating roundhouse kicks. That's 1 set. Do that for 3 sets, and then at the end of all that, do 10 doubles to finish off and make it 100. Last drill, same thing, you're going to kind of stay in place. What I want you to do is pick 5 kicks. For example, my 5 kicks are going to be a front leg roundhouse kick, a back leg roundhouse kick to the body, back leg roundhouse kick to the head, an axe kick, and a spinning hook kick. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to do each of these kicks 2 times on the right leg, 2 times on the left leg. That's going to be 1 set, which will be a total of 20 kicks. I recommend that you do this for 5 sets, and that will equal your 100 kicks. If you want to see some more Taekwondo training drills, I will link my playlist in the description box down below. I have a lot of other videos that go over different types of training drills to help improve your kicks, your endurance, and your footwork. So make sure you go check that out. Link will be in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video.